Good morning, this is Module 3, Topic 2, and this is Skill 1. So we're solving a two-step equation. Let's read it. It says 8x plus 25 equals 65. So I'd like the students to stop right here and take a look at the problem and see what's going on in it. We have x, which is a number, but we don't know the value. And we know that x is being multiplied by 8, and afterwards we're adding 25 to it so that we equal 65. So usually students follow PEMDAS, the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. And so they'd start here at parentheses and work their way down. Well, we've already done all of that and got the answer of 65. So what we're actually doing is working back like detectives to find out what we started with as an x value. So we're going to start down here and do the opposite of everything that we saw. So we see that this is addition plus 25. So instead of addition, we're going to do subtraction. We're going to minus 25 from both sides. And when I say both sides, I mean both sides of the equal sign. So you put a line down the equal side, and we call this the left side. Here's our equal sign, and we call this the right side. So whatever we do to one side, we have to do to both, because both sides are equal. Now 25 minus 25 equals 0. We cancel it out. That's exactly what we're looking to do. And we're left with 8x. This line just allows us to clean up our problem. Bring down the equal sign. And 65 minus 25 gives us 40. Now we have x multiplied by 8, and we know that it'll equal 40. The opposite of multiplication is division. So since we multiplied by 8, now we will divide by 8. And this little fraction bar is our new sign for division. 40 divided by 8. Clean up the whole problem. 8 divided by 8 equals 1, which is exactly what we wanted. We wanted 1x equals 40 divided by 8 equals 5. And that is our answer. 1x equals 5. You can also write that as just x equals 5. We're going to look at one more problem here. This one has division in it. You can see the fraction bar right there. So we started off, put our line down the middle. We can see that y is being divided by 7, and we can see that we're adding a 13 because it's a positive 13. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So we subtract 13, subtract 13. And for step 2, when we rewrite this negative y over 7, we're going to move that negative sign down to the bottom so that it's with the number, with the 7. So we're going to write that y over negative 7 equals, my signs are opposites. This is a positive 8 and a negative 13. So we will subtract. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And the greater absolute value is with the 13, so it'll be a negative 5. Now we have a y being divided by a negative 7. The opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by a negative 7. The 7's cancel out, and we're left with a positive y equals a negative times a negative is a positive, and 5 times 7 is 35. And that's our answer. Y equals 35. Thank you.